Hi friends, this video shows how to do hard reset. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Then go to device preferences. Select device preferences. Under device preferences we can see about. Select about. Under about we can see factory reset. Select factory reset. Here we should be careful because this operation would erase everything from the TV. Set factory reset. This operation would delete videos, apps, accounts, everything. So better take a backup. We can connect pen drive or hard disk to TV and take backup. Select erase everything. Now TV will restart. See, now it's restarting. After that it will erase the data. See, now it's erasing the data. Please wait. After this it will restart. Now TV is restarting. Okay, now hard reset has been completed. Next we need to set up the TV from the beginning. Here select language. Let me select English. Then select skip. Here we need to select Wi-Fi network. If you are using mobile hotspot, you can select mobile hotspot, then enter the Wi-Fi password and connect. Okay, I have entered Wi-Fi password. Now it's connecting to Wi-Fi. Okay, connected to Wi-Fi. In this screen we need to select sign in, then sign in with the Gmail ID and password. Enter Gmail ID, select next. Enter password, select next. Here we need to select accept. Then select no. Select no here. Select continue. Again select continue. Select no thanks. So here we can see list of apps. I don't want to install any of these apps. Let me unselect all these apps, then select continue. Okay, setup has been completed. So this way we can do hard reset. Then we can set up TV from the beginning. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.